Well, I've got a few more digital audio players in. Hello everyone, it's been a while. This is Adios Amigo. And I'm giving out a few products a try because my last digital audio player died. I have about 3 of them in rotation. And one I take with me to school, one I take with me to work out, keep it small, keep it light, usually has to be Bluetooth, and then one I keep in my car, just as sort of my daily driver, pun intended. So I got a few digital audio players. The Fiio M3k is gonna either be something I take out with me to work out, and I've also got the X1 too, which is probably going to be my next car unit. But I'm just going to give it an unboxing. So this arrived pretty much tore up. This top section, I don't know if you can tell, is just kind of like thrashed. I'm hoping the unit inside is still good. I haven't even looked at it yet. Let's see how this opens up. Okay. Let's see, does it come with anything? It's got a box here. So here's the unit itself. And it comes with a rubber case, which is nice. So there is like a protective case here. I got a black unit. And the screen looks like it's in decent shape. Doesn't come with a whole heck of a lot inside that box. Looks like just a charging cable. And what else we got in here? Looks like a few adapters. USB-C adapter and micro USB adapter. Which is kind of interesting. So I don't know if I'm going to need those necessarily. But that's pretty much it. That's everything it came with. So I'm going to give this a shot, let you know what I think, and I'll get back to you.